Yo, yo, YouTube, it's your boy Jared, the only one. Back on the video today, man. I know this kind of a weird background going on, any weird background, but somebody actually I look super tall because I'm standing up. But anyway, so right here, you know what I'm saying, boom, Yeezy, aka Adidas, you know what I'm saying, they finally notified me like, hey, we're still working on your order. Please be patient. So I'm like, finally. So they must have saw my video, or people have been making a lot more videos. I think Adidas been listening and been watching. So Adidas, if you're watching and listening, finally, I appreciate you. You finally listening, paying attention. So if you got the alert, or hopefully you get alert, you know what I'm saying, I'm waiting my blue Yeezy slide. But like I said beforehand, I got it. It was earlier around like I think 3 or 4 o'clock. They sent me notification, so I'm like, oh yeah, bet. So like I said, hopefully you guys, y'all get y'all notifications, y'all get y'all alert, you know what I'm saying? And you know what I'm saying, I'm gonna go back in here and watch the game. Comment up a little bit, let me know who y'all got. Y'all got the Heat or the Nuggets. Right now, look like the Nuggets got the lead so far. I think it's like 35-30 right now. So the finals right now is shocking me, by the way, too, though, because I didn't think the Heat's gonna get this far. But hey, but like I said beforehand, and definitely, man, I'm surprised that Adidas even sent the confirmation to me, man. So hey, it's good spirits, because I thought it was gonna cancel my order, you know what I'm saying, stuff like that. So which is a good thing, man. But like I said, comment out a little bit, let me know if y'all still waiting, y'all get the notification or anything like that. So but here I go again, once again, right here. I'm like, oh yeah, I'm like, finally. I thought I was gonna say it's on its way, but it said we're working on it, we'll let you know when it's shipped to you. So let's be patient. I was being patient, but at some point you gotta be like, all right, at least let me know. That's the reason why I made the video yesterday. I'm like, if you're gonna let me, if my stuff is saying processing, at least let me know why is it still processing or anything like that. They ain't say nothing. So finally they did say something. I'm like, bet, perfect. So but that is it for this video, man. Make sure you like and subscribe if you're new. Got some more videos coming, more stuff like quick videos like this. Just, you know what I'm saying, let my family members know, man. Road to that 2K. We're doing a giveaway at 2K. You know what I'm saying? The closer we get, the closer I let you know the giveaway, man. But appreciate y'all showing love support as always. Y'all the ones out. Peace.